In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions. If you are using gesture navigation, you need to slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using keys navigation, slide your finger without holding. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is on. To go back, just click on this blank area. If you wish to change placement of your screen, just swipe in the opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable it completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!